want it to work.
Oh, yeah, get it. Oh.
They say ship to your store.
We have arrived.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that is beautiful.
What the fuck is this? The silencer? I think this is a silencer, bro. So it's not too loud.
We don't need it.
No. Bring the audience in. Oh!
If I dropped
Do
it,
the fist test. Okay.
Leo's fist goes in easy.
And mine's a monkey fist.
Suck it. Suck it.
Alright guys, thanks to the neighbor giving us premium lube, we were able to slide these off. Probably can't see the one, but I don't give a shit. So we just got this little one, and we're almost done. And this one.
We're almost done, guys. Right now it's below 30. Remember, we're not in the United States. This is Alaska. So there we go. So it goes like this. Now, bazooka. Find the hangers.
I think I see them right now.
How many did you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
I paid for fucking 5.
What happens if there's not 5 of you?
I'll fucking shoot you.
He's just kidding, obviously. We're in Alaska. You think it'll be easier to put the hangers on this time than take them
I came
off?
prepared for that.
How'd you come prepared?
Let me show you the trickaroo. Weightlifting grease. We're gonna spray it on this. It's just right in. Oh, they feel nice. Oh, fucking good.
You got it?
No motherfucking playing around. I'm not fucking stupid monkey.
Hey, you know what's funny? Like, together, all the street Spartans are the street Spartans, right? I feel like me and you are like the Tyler and Leo show, like Hobbs and Shaw. Obviously, you're The Rock.
Am I?
Yeah, I'm Jason Statham.
I want to be Jason Statham.
Why?
He's a cooler fighter.
What do you mean? Fucking The Rock's badass.
Have you not seen Transporter 3?
Of course I have. Have you not seen Walking Tall or The Rundown?
The Rock, all he does is like, I'm gonna choke you. And then you just do like, oh, fuck!
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take you under here and show you everything we did. So, got those on, hooked everything. We weren't able to record because we had to do the work, honestly, and it was just too much to go ahead. So yeah, mid pipe connected to the downpipe down here. Let me show you guys, obviously, right there. So brand new Invidia downpipe, as you guys saw. Brand new Invidia, single exit exhaust right here. And you guys are about to see the results of this thing. This looks badass, dude. exhaust?
I feel like I like that it's deeper, but what happened, it canceled itself out, adding this 3-inch the 3-inch exhaust to a 3-inch downpipe. What I mean about it is, before it used to be a 2-inch to 2-inch, so it was loud, right? Because I had a straight pipe. But then I did a 3-inch downpipe to a 2-inch exhaust, which made it super loud. I don't know why. And now that I did a 3-inch downpipe to a 3-inch exhaust, it's quiet again, but with a deeper sound. So I kind of like it, and I know Maribel's gonna like it. My girl's gonna like it. She's gonna appreciate this. I don't know. What do you think?
I like it. You're right. That's not as loud, but it sounds deeper. All right, y'all. We're at Leo's favorite place.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna close out here, guys. Hope you hope you guys enjoyed this video. Exactly. Sorry you didn't get much footage of us actually installing. We were supposed to have another Street Spartan family member here, but couldn't make it. So I don't know. We're gonna let the exhaust break in. I know Leo's kind of like, just what? Like, what's happening?
Right.
So I don't know. At least you get more horsepower. I mean, technically from the downpipe once you retune it and everything.
I don't know, man. I'm a little bummed out.
I kind of am too. I was expecting.
But hopefully this Ramiro's fixes everything.
From what I hear, it will.
It will.
All right, guys. Take care.
All right. Peace.